What's up, y'all? Welcome to the channel. I'm out here outside of AutoZone. Just finished doing a Serpentine belt on the IS250. Unfortunately, I didn't have nobody to hold the camera to watch the process, so I could, show you step by step how it's done. It's simple. It only takes 5-10 minutes. It's simple, but I'll explain to you. I'll, just show it to you and explain to you what you got to do. As you can see, the old belt's there. The new belt's in. Let me turn the car off real quick. Okay, now how you would change the belt is get you a ratchet, 9/16 inch, right? And right down here, this right here, down here where my hand is at, this is the tensioner. You take the ratchet, take the 9/16 ratchet, and you turn it counterclockwise, and that takes the tension off the belt. You just take the belt from anywhere around, from like say right here, just take it and slip the belt off, slip it off here, then you can let it go. The ratchet's gonna go all the way back to over here though, right? When you take it off, just slip the belt off. Then when you put the next one on, put the belt over all the pulleys, go around, Okay, you gotta go over this one, underneath that one. You gotta go underneath this one, over this one to the left. Then you gotta come around that one, then go around this one, then around that one, and straight across the bottom, right? You gotta go, now when you go around the tensioner, put the belt on all the pulleys, the tensioner included, except the bottom one down here, because it's the easiest way to put it on, right? If you're by yourself, right? Put it on all the pulleys except this bottom one, and just it'll be hanging like going across this bottom one. What you do is when you got it like that, you take the tensioner and you turn it counterclockwise to take the tension off all the belts. Then when you take the tension off, just slip it on over this one, slip it on over the bottom one, underneath the bottom, then just let the tensioner go and the belt will be on. Now, it might not be perfectly lined up. If it's not perfectly lined up, all you do is just keep pushing the tensioner counterclockwise. Then, push it over and just take your other hand and just tap the belt into place. Then it's that simple. I'm just sweating like hell because it's been over 90 degrees in Atlanta for like the last month and a half. I know today my car thermostat said it reached a temperature of over 104 today. Yeah. It's crazy. It's about like 95 degrees now, so I'm sweating like hell. But that's how you change the Serpentine belt. It's not that hard. Oh yeah, and you just gotta take this little cover off to give you some space. And of course, you take the engine cover off. But that's nothing, that's a few clips. And that's it. And you just put everything back together and you're done. Stay tuned.